What's going on, YouTube? This Big Pencil coming at you again with a nut. Saturday afternoon. We didn't have a whole lot of action on the morning hunt this morning. There just wasn't a whole lot of deer in the drive we was hunting. Most of them still out in the cotton fields and soybean fields laid up where we can't really get to them. I think they shot at two deer, missed. We had a young man still hunting on a piece of property that we hunt with the dogs every now and again, and he killed a hell of a nice 9-point this morning sitting in the stand. I'll put that picture in there, y'all can check that out. And he was a damn stud. Now I'm gonna tell you, as big a buck you gonna find in South Carolina for sure. But we did another little quick drive this afternoon, and boy, I'm telling you, I had him come so daggone close to me I could taste it. I could smell it there. He was so close to me down in there. And I just don't know what happened. I don't know if he smelt me, seen the truck, or smelt that stinking bag of garbage I had in the back of the pickup. It ain't no telling. Either way you look at it, the deer turned around and run the other direction. But they had my heart pounding there for a minute. Oh Lord, boy, I was excited. But I'll show you what happened. Stand by. We can bring you a hunt.